Uniplace's honest review. Look before you search for a rental property. Most students and young professionals assume finding short-term rentals abroad is difficult, but Uniplaces offers an online marketplace for verified student and professional housing. Uniplaces lists apartments, studios, and rooms in cities across Europe, focusing on fully furnished, short-term rentals. One standout feature is verified listings, where the platform confirms the property exists and matches the photos before approving it. Most people get this wrong. They assume online rental platforms guarantee quality. The surprising truth is that while Uniplaces verifies listings, actual experiences can vary. Always read reviews and communicate with the landlord before booking to avoid surprises. Another advantage is convenience. The platform allows online booking, secure payment, and easy contract management. It's especially helpful for international students who need housing before arriving in a new country. However, there are considerations. Service fees and platform commissions are added on top of rent, sometimes making it more expensive than local alternatives. Cancellation policies are strict, and availability can be limited in high-demand cities. In conclusion, Uniplaces is a solid option for students and professionals seeking verified short-term rentals abroad. It saves time and reduces risk, but costs and policies should be carefully reviewed before committing. Subscribe for more honest rental property reviews before your next housing search.